take you anywhere, I could take you home. I just wanna be there so you never feel alone. I don't know how it feels to be lost inside this world. Don't give up, no. I can take you anywhere, I could take you home. I just want.
Okay guys, so I'm all done with my makeup now, and then what's next? I didn't show the makeup process in this video. It's going to be in the last video I uploaded, so make sure you go back and check that out because it was way too long and I was like, hey, I can make this another entire separate video, so go and check that out. So now what we're going to be doing is unboxing. I ordered a skirt from this store on Instagram and it came yesterday, and I'm about to try it out. I'm really scared. I don't order online a lot, but I just wanted to try, so I'm going to, okay, let me get it. So this is the package which I received yesterday. So it has my name, my phone number, my address. It's a wrap skirt, so I'm going to open it, and I hope it's like, I hope it bangs. I hope the skirt is nice. I got this skirt in a size 10. I don't have patience. Okay, this is what we have. Ooh, oh my god, the material, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, it smells nice. So this is what we have. It's just a wrap, so I'm going to try it on, and then we are going to style this motherfucker. We're gonna style this skirt. It's gonna look cute. I'm so excited because I've never done a styling video over there. I just wanted to try something different today, so let's see what we can do with it. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. So thank you to Thrifted. Sorry, I can't remember the name, but it will be right here. And delivery was quick. It came within 2 days, I think. Yeah, and this skirt was $2.5. So check them out on Instagram if you're looking for anything you can thrift. So yeah, we're going to style that in this video. I'm excited. Okay guys, so I have any pair of shorts obviously for privacy reasons.
I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.
Okay guys, so this is the skirt. This is what we're working with. Yeah, it's cute. Obviously, I put my slits at this side because I love cozy like this. I love this skirt. It is so flary. Okay guys, we have officially reached the end of this video. I'm so happy. That is joy my spirit. I love the way everything came out. If you guys enjoyed it, so make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Anything else you would like to see me do, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this for real. It's raining right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that. but we're good because I'm using my ring light today. I usually don't, but I feel like if you guys noticed, this slanted. If you guys noticed that like something's a bit different today, that's because your girl is using a ring light, 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 a ring light. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so glad I was able to film this. I'm happy it came, that it looks how I wanted it to look. Period. See you guys in my next video. Love you.